Hey, yo, Sway. How you doing, brother? So just like I told you, I'll be shooting this video. Let's get straight into it. So we're going to keep it short and sweet. I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do. Get some more traffic to your website, bring in more customers, actually expand like we was talking about and beat out your competition. Let me show you how they're doing it. So real quickly, man, bear with me. So Google wants to see about 1,500 words of words of content on your front page. If we put you guys into this word count here, we see that you guys don't have 173 words, right? Google wants to see 1,500 words, up to 2,000 words and or more. We aim for the 2,500 mark to completely dominate the competitors in the area. So the significance of this content is that, you want to get found for key terms or keywords, right? Key phrases that people are searching for in your local area for services like yours, like an auto repair shop in Staten Island. This may be a keyword, but it's not. We don't know yet until we look if it's buyer intent, okay? So content on your front page is anything for us text, right? Images, what these images may be saved as, if you have any videos, and what these videos may be saved as. This is all considered content. So example of a keyword was if we used to type in Staten Island auto repair, we see that there's a few sections that pop up here. We're going to get into them as well, and we have an organic section here. We can see that in the first position, right below Yelp, we're running into these guys, Zaloom auto repair, these guys. So if we're going to focus on them, we're going to show you how to go ahead and beat them out and what they're doing and how to capture some of this traffic that these guys may get, right? So this is a software I like to use called Ahrefs. And it shows us the complete backend of a website, and it shows me what organic keywords that you guys are using, how much traffic you're getting to your site. We see that you guys are using 2 organic keywords, AMG auto repair, AMG auto body. This gets 150 searches per month. This gets 50 searches per month. I know you're wondering, well, I'm not getting those searches. That's because you guys are in the 49th position for that and the 60th position for that. That's like the 8th page. So, you want to go ahead and adjust that. I'm going to show you how to go ahead and do that. So as I said, this is the software I use. It's going to give us the complete back end. We're going to throw your competitors in. We're going to show you exactly what they're doing and what we need to do to go ahead and beat them out. So these are these guys. And as I mentioned, Google wants to see about 1,500 words on your front page. And if we put these guys into the word counter, we're going to find out what they have right now. So we see that these guys, oh, actually, let me go back and copy that. Bear with me, I apologize. Yep. So these guys have only 382 words. They're not considered authority. You do want to double that, of course, what you have, but you want to go ahead and quadruple what this number is. You want to beat them out. Have at least 1,500 words. The reason for this is because you want to be able to put these keywords, such as this one, inside Google. Inside your content to be found by these keywords. So, like I said, this is the software I like to use called Ahrefs. It shows me the organic keywords that these guys are using, and it shows me how much traffic they get into this site. So it shows us that they're getting 217 searches alone, exclusively to their site, and it shows us that they're using 661 words. They're being found for that. So we come in here, we're going to analyze this, right? We can see that they're being found. I don't know if you guys do oil changes, but they're being found for oil change Staten Island. This gets 500 searches per month alone. 1KD, easy to rank for. They're in the 7th position on Google for this, so they're on the front page. They're getting found for that. Auto repair Staten Island, as we did, we put that into Google. This gets 150 searches alone, and they are in the 2nd position for that, as we seen on Google, right below Yelp. Right, so those are some examples, right? And listen, this is different. You see this one, auto repair Staten Island, auto repair. All of these keywords differ, right? This gets 60 searches per month. They're in the 2nd position for this. So car repair Staten Island, this gets 50 searches per month. They're in the 2nd position for this, and so forth and so on. Auto repair Staten Island, New York. They are in the 50. That gets 50 searches. They're in the 2nd position. And also this one right here. See, this one doesn't. This has a comma. This one doesn't. These are keywords. They're sensitive to that exact like that, right? They're very sensitive. So auto repair Staten Island, 40 searches. They're in the 3rd position. They're winning. This is why they're getting all that traffic. So I'm gonna show you what you need to do. The first thing that we spoke about was content, and I gave you an example of keywords. And you need to have these keywords with the keywords just like this. Actually, some of these similar to those within your content. They get found by Google and start beating out these guys. Zaloom auto care, right? You want to start beating them out, okay? So, and you'll start to capture some of this traffic that these guys are getting, and your numbers are going to go up. So we're going to talk about citations real quickly. So citations are basically web directories that allow you to list your business credentials on the internet, such as Yext, Yellow Pages, Yelp is one of them, White Pages, Facebook. There's hundreds of them. Software I used to go get this is called whitespark.ca. Allows something similar to what we're doing here. Allows us to put you up against your competitors, and we like to see what they have and what you don't have, and we're going to go top them in that. So that's very simple, very easy to do. This section is responsible for 44% of traffic that comes to your website. So you want to get listed here. This is responsible for citation. This is the GMB section. We call it the name, address, phone number section, right? When you come in here and you build this section out, you want to make sure you have reviews. So make sure you're requesting that from your customers. You want to also make sure you're maximizing this description. And you also want to make sure you have photos that's being saved as this kind of keyword that I showed you here. As I showed you on your page, it's about what's everything is saved as, because when this photo right here fails to load, this going to show up. Something like this is going to show up, and Google knows what this site is about. It's very important. So we're speaking about citations. You want to go ahead and get them citations, brother. You're going to start to win and start to beat out your competition. So real quickly, I'm not going to keep you too long. Last thing we're going to talk about is backlinks. So backlinks are ever sites relevant to your industry that refers back to your site, that's basically listed back to your site, and it's passing it power and authority. So you want to have backlinks that's relevant to your industry. An example of a backlink would be if we had this site linking back to our site, and it tells Google that this is a real business that is relevant to these searches that people are looking for. This is what passes you power. We can see that you guys don't have any backlinks, you don't have any referring domains, and we put these guys, we see that they have 360 backlinks. It's going to be easy to come in and beat them out, guaranteed. You just want to start getting found for more keywords, and you're going to start to receive some of this power. As you can see, they got a little bit power, but this supposed to be a 1-to-1 ratio, so these guys are not doing the best they can. It's going to be extremely easy to come beat them out. You're going to start to capture some of this traffic. So a way I go get these backlinks is a software called majestic.com, and similar to what we're doing here, allows me to rank you against your competitors, see what they're doing, see what kind of topical categories that they're listening. We go to get them backlinks, and we're going to rank you for them backlinks. So the good thing about these backlinks that this software as well, that we're able to go in here and see what backlinks that these guys are getting, and if we're able to use them on your site. The good thing about that is that if these backlinks are good enough to rank this site, they're going to be good enough to rank yours as well. So this is very easy. We do this by a copycat method, like I'm showing you now. We're going to take these backlinks, and we're going to use them on your site. You start to receive a lot of this traffic. So this is how they're doing it. This is how they're winning. This is how they're getting that traffic. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. And this is what I'm telling you. This is what you have to do, brother, to start getting some of that traffic. So I must add before we conclude that this is a Google site, brother. First of all, you want to come in here and get a real site. You want to, because you don't own this site. Google owns this site, and no one is coming to these sites. And they see this. You can get some traffic, but you can't optimize it the way that these guys are optimizing their site, and they're optimizing their sites, right? And there are many competitors, so you want to go ahead and beat them out. Like I said, it's going to be easy to come in and beat them out with these things I showed you. You want to top them in this, and you want to get a couple keywords that people are looking for, that's search intent, and you want to start to receive some of this traffic that these guys are getting. Is going to help you guys tremendously. So a quick recap: content, keywords, citations. Remember, you want to use whitespark.ca to go get those, right? Whitespark.ca. And also backlinks. You want to get those backlinks that's relevant to your industry. And usually when you get a backlink, you want to find something on the page that says usually list here, get listed, sign up, guest post. And sometimes, a lot of time, for powerful backlinks, you have to pay for them. That's just the industry that these guys are in. Business owners does it because it's worth it, and it's a great investment to start receiving some of this traffic and optimize your site. I hope this information was useful for you, Josue. If you need, like I said, you can implement this yourself. If you need someone to do this for you or any help in some way, kind of way, please contact me. I got you, man. Take care. Hope you found this information useful. Thank you.